Let's practice together now. Say aloud after me. The results were exceptional. It was a drastic improvement. He is a courageous man. Remember, fluency at the C2 level is not just about speaking fast, it's about speaking with clarity, precision, and richness. Now, let's explore a few more expressions that advanced speakers often use in daily life. Instead of saying, I don't know, you might say, I'm not quite sure. Instead of I don't like it, say, it doesn't appeal to me. Instead of I'm busy, you can say, I'm occupied at the moment. Listen to the rhythm. It sounds more natural, more polite, and more confident. Let's practice conversational tone. Imagine someone asks you, do you like this movie? You could reply, it's all right. But at the C2 level, you might say, it's thought-provoking, but not exactly my taste. That shows depth of thought. It means you can analyze and express opinions clearly. Another advanced phrase is, it's open to interpretation. It means something can be understood in different ways. For example, if someone asks, what does this poem mean? You could say, it's open to interpretation. These kinds of expressions make your English sound mature and flexible. Let's do a mini exercise together. I'll say a basic sentence, and you try to upgrade it in your mind. It's good. You could change it to, it's remarkable. It's bad. You could say it's unacceptable. I'm happy. Try I'm content. It's interesting. You could say it's intriguing. These upgrades may feel small, but they change everything about how you're perceived as a speaker. They make you sound more sophisticated, confident, and thoughtful. And remember, using advanced vocabulary is not about showing off. It's about expressing your exact thoughts. It's about precision. When you reach this level, you stop translating, you start thinking in English. Every advanced learner needs daily practice to keep these words active in their memory. So here's a quick tip. Choose 5 advanced words from today's lesson and try to use them in your conversations today. Write a short paragraph about your day using them. For example, today was an exceptional day. I felt elated after completing my project. The feedback I received was remarkable. Though I was drained by evening, I felt fulfilled. That's how you make advanced words become part of your life. At the C2 level, it's also important to develop a strong sense of context. This means you don't just memorize advanced words, you learn when to use them. For example, the word meticulous means extremely careful and detailed. You could say, she's a meticulous planner, which means she pays attention to every single detail. But if you use meticulous in a casual sentence like, my friend is meticulous about his coffee, it suddenly sounds humorous and expressive. That's what native speakers do. They play with words to match the situation. Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. He's meticulous about his work. The report was written with meticulous attention to detail. She's meticulous about her diet. Each sentence shows precision and care, one of the key qualities of advanced English. Now, let's look at another beautiful word, inevitable. It means something that is certain to happen, something unavoidable, you might say. It was inevitable that the meeting would be delayed, or, with so much rain, flooding was inevitable. Using inevitable instead of sure to happen makes your sentence sound natural and educated. Let's practice. Change is inevitable. It was inevitable that they would meet again. Failure is sometimes inevitable, but it teaches valuable lessons. Notice how the word carries a calm, reflective tone. This is the kind of emotional depth you find at the C2 level. Here's another excellent word, ambiguous. It means unclear or having more than one meaning. You can say, his message was ambiguous, which means you're not sure what he meant, or the ending of the movie was ambiguous, meaning it could be understood in different ways. Advanced speakers love words like this because they help express complexity. Real life isn't always black and white, and neither is language. Now let's use ambiguous in conversation. Her answer was ambiguous. I couldn't tell if she agreed or disagreed. The rules were ambiguous. So many people misunderstood them. Try saying it aloud. It sounds natural, confident, and full of meaning. Next, let's talk about the word inefficient. Many learners know lazy or slow, but inefficient sounds more specific. It means something that doesn't work well or wastes time and effort. You can say, the old system was inefficient, or he's hardworking, but his method is inefficient. Advanced English speakers often prefer words like this because they express ideas precisely and politely. Let's practice with short phrases. This process is inefficient. We need a more efficient solution, an inefficient. Approach leads to wasted effort. Now, let's move to something more emotional. The word profound. Profound means deep, powerful, or meaningful. You can say that movie had a profound impact on me, or her words were profound and unforgettable. It's one of those words that instantly makes your English sound wise and mature. Try repeating these lines slowly. He shared a profound insight. That experience changed me in a profound way. There was a profound silence in the room. Do you hear how soft and emotional it sounds? That's the rhythm of advanced English. Calm, thoughtful, expressive. Let's now build a short scene together for practice. Imagine you're describing your favorite teacher. Instead of saying, she was very smart, you could say, she was a profound thinker who inspired everyone around her. Now imagine you're describing a book you loved. You could say, the book left a profound impression on me. It changed how I see the world. By using these words in real contexts, you'll never forget them. Here's another elegant word. Inevitable connects beautifully with consequence. You can say, the consequence was inevitable. Every decision has consequences. He didn't study, so failure was inevitable. These are phrases that naturally appear in academic English and advanced discussions. Now, let's try a practice challenge. I'll give you a simple sentence, and you'll try to make it sound C2 level in your mind. Ready? He didn't sleep well. You could say, he had a restless night. She was very careful. Try, she was extremely meticulous. The view was nice. Try, the view was absolutely breathtaking. Let's do it again. It's not clear. You could say, it's rather ambiguous. It's going to happen soon. You could say, it's inevitable. He's a deep thinker. You could say, he's profoundly reflective. These exercises help your